Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust side mirrors on a Honda Civic. First, ensure you are seated comfortably and correctly in the driver's seat, as this is crucial for accurate mirror positioning. Next, locate the mirror control switch, typically found on the driver's side door panel. This switch allows you to select which mirror you wish to adjust, either the left or the right. We'll cover the steps for both. For the driver's side mirror, select the left mirror on your control switch. Adjust the mirror so you can just barely see the rear quarter panel of your car. The horizon line should appear roughly in the middle of the mirror's vertical view. This positioning helps to minimize blind spots, giving you a wider and safer view of traffic approaching from the left side of your vehicle. Take your time to get it just right. Now, switch to the right mirror using your control. Similar to the driver's side, adjust the passenger mirror so you can just see a small sliver of your car's rear quarter panel. Again, aim for the horizon line to be centered horizontally. This adjustment is vital for safely changing lanes and parking, providing a clear view of vehicles and obstacles on your right side. Proper adjustment significantly enhances overall driving safety. After adjusting both mirrors, sit in your normal driving position and quickly check your views. Ensure there isn't too much overlap between your rearview mirror and side mirrors, and that you have minimized blind spots. A quick head check should confirm you have a comprehensive view around your vehicle. Remember, proper mirror adjustment is a simple yet effective way to boost your driving safety. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.